एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई एम जिया और आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ द बेस्ट यूट्यूब चैनल फॉर द क्लास 10th प्रिपरेशन जर्नी। देयर इज नॉट जस्ट वन टू और थ्री चैनल्स, देयर आर सो मैनी चैनल्स, बट आई विल टेल you the best one out there, the channels I actually used for preparation of my class 10th. These are the channels that helped me score 97.4% in my class 10 board exams. So if you want the full information, then stay tuned till the end of the video. But before that, let me tell you my score. I scored 96 in mathematics, 96 in science, 97 in SST, and 98 in English. Apart from that, I scored 92 in Hindi and 100 out of 100 in my computer science, and that's make my whole percentage 97.4% out of top 5 subjects. फर्स्टली ऋतिक सर, अगर आपको बहुत मज़ेदार तरीके में फगुनिया बनकर बबुआ बनकर अच्छे से पढ़ना है, सो यू शुड गो फॉर दैट। आपको बेसिक से उठाकर एडवांस तक पढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी ऋतिक सर की है। सेकेंडली शोभित भैया इज़ वेल नोन फॉर हिज टीचिंग स्टाइल, एंड अगर एक लेक्चर भी अच्छे से पढ़ लोगे देन आप उनके फ़ैन बन जाओगे। ऑनेस्टली ही इज़ सो गुड। एंड थर्डली हम आते हैं ज्ञानी कीड़ा पर। दिस इज़ अ वेरी अंडररेटेड चैनल बाय दीपक सर। ही हैज़ कवर्ड द होल NCERT एग्जाम्पलर without the out of syllabus questions. And last but not least, if you want an overview or kind of an introduction of the whole chapter, you can refer to the green board, the perfect YouTube channel to start your class 10th journey. If you ask me personally, तो मैंने ऋतिक सर से पढ़ा था क्लास 10th में, and I scored 96 in the last 3 months. फर्स्टली डियर सर, अगर आपको बिल्कुल बेसिक से सिंपल लैंग्वेज में, बिल्कुल क्रिस्प लैंग्वेज में किसी भी इंग्लिश के चैप्टर को समझना है, देन यू शुड गो फॉर इट। इट इज़ टोटली वर्थ इट। एंड सेकेंडली अनुराग सर ऑफ PW, he is such a gentleman. The way he teaches is so wonderful. अगर आप एग्ज़ाम से पहले भी गैप डेज में अगर उनसे पढ़ रहे हो, you won't feel like कि आप हाँ एग्ज़ाम के लिए पढ़ रहे हो, या फिर ये सेशन जो वो एग्ज़ाम ओरिएंटेड है। वो इतना अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं, इतना फीलिंग से, इतना पैशन से पढ़ाते हैं, आपको बिल्कुल लगेगा कि आप कोई रैंडम इंग्लिश की बुक का चैप्टर पढ़ रहे हो। He tells the story in such a wonderful way. Firstly, for physics, of course, Alak sir of Physics Wala have a separate channel for class 9th and 10th. You can definitely go and check out his playlist. Particularly, his lecture of magnetism really helped me in my board exams. Secondly, Prashant Bhaiya, he teaches in a very simple and crisp language. You will love the way he teaches. And thirdly, Rakshak sir of PW. He teaches you every single concept in a very good manner. Now let's talk about biology. Biology, the queen of biology, Samriddhi ma'am, is the best teacher out there for biology, and I don't think there is another teacher who could teach biology in such an easy and like a wonderful way. Now let's talk about chemistry. You can go for Prashant Bhaiya. He teaches chemistry so well. And there's Sanya ma'am and Sunil sir from PW. They are such a good teacher of biology. If we talk about scoring 95 plus in our SST exam for class 10th, then the first person that comes in our mind is Digras Singh Rajput. Digras sir is the best teacher of SST out there. Either it be history, geography, civics, and economics. He teaches every single chapter in such a funny way. And I feel like over the years, his teaching has become more interactive, more humorous, and more funny. So you can check out his channel. अगर आप नहीं जानते हो तो कहाँ रह गए हो आप, किस सदी में रहते हो आप, you should check out his channel. Apart from Digras sir, if you want one short revision sessions like the rapid revision sections, you can refer to Sunlight Study Animations, and that's the wonderful thing you could ever do one day before exam. Now, apart from the study channels, you need some channels to guide you and to make your journey more easier, to give you study tips, strategies, and how to study the subject, and all of these things. For that, I have a few channels for recommendation. Firstly, Creative Learning 2.0. Like Kriti Didi is such a wonderful educator. I love her content so much, the way she explains and simplifies everything. Either it be PYQs, either it be strategies and how you should do revision one day before exam. She tells everything in such a good manner. Now, the second creator is Shubham Pathak ma'am, and she is also a very good educator if you talk about telling about study tips, strategies, and like one-shot lectures, PYQs. Thirdly, you can refer to 10th Asan hai. He is a student like us, and right now he's in triple IT Delhi. He scored 98% plus in his 10th class, and the way he tells you the tips and tricks to score 95 plus in your board exams really helped me, and it can help you too. Such content, subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. और भी बहुत सारी वीडियोस आने वाली हैं, सो डोंट फॉरगेट सब्सक्राइब, नहीं तो आप सारी वीडियोस मिस कर दोगे एंड यू मे लोअर योर स्कोर. सो ओके, सो नो चांस, सब्सक्राइब.